I'm getting a crown, guys, and this is what my face looks like right now. I got my temporary crown. I got some goodies today, guys, from Sephora. So let's open this. Quick unboxing video. This Tatcha moisturizer is really small, guys. Teeny tiny for almost $30. Napakaliit niya, guys. And then I bought this. Hindi ko na-expect na malaking box, but let's see. Kailangan ko to, guys. Exfoliating toner from Ordinary. So, ayan siya. Yep. And then last one is this one for hyaluronic hydrating hair treatment. So, ayan siya, guys. So, tamang-tama lang yung bottle niya. And this is also cheap. So, first time ko tong gagamitin. I've been waiting for this tools. So, ito yung bumungad sa akin. The pamphlet. I don't think we need this. But this is the actual curler and straightener. Nakaano siya dito. Wow. Plastic lang yan. So, ayan, guys. Tadaan! Ito yung curler and straightener, guys. So, it's time to test this baby out. Ready na siya, guys. May fan siya. And it's on. So, kaya siya maingay. Kaya pala ang tawag sa kanya is airflow. Para din siyang sa Dyson na may hangin na lumabas para i-cool niya yung buhok. So, I assume less damaging talaga siya. Ready na siya. Yung ang color na yan, that's the light indicator. Solid na siya. And then the fan is on. So, nakapaglagay na rin ako ng heat protectant spray sa aking buhok. Let's try this baby out. So, I'm just grabbing my hair. So, ayan, pinaplansya ko lang siya, guys. Oh, wow. 360 degree ang init niya. So, hindi siya masyadong mainit. And then, now, I'm going to curl my hair. Like that. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh! Yung init, guys. Wow. So, hindi ko masyadong na-feel yung init. But, let's see. Now, i-release ko na siya. Wow! Ito na yung final result. Okay na siya. 1 to 10, siguro 7 yung may rate ko. Kasi, hindi talaga siya pang professional na pangkulot. Pero, dahil hindi siya mainit. So, hindi siya nakakasira masyado ng buhok. Pero, ayun. Okay siya sa pang mabilisan na kulot. Ganun lang. Tapos, mahal siya. Para sa presyo niya, na mahalan ako. Looks funny. But, not too bad. At saka maganda siya sa travel. Pang travel. Kasi maliit lang. Tapos, mabilis lang din. Tapos, dual voltage siya. So, pwede siya sa Asia, pwede siya dito, pwede din siya sa Europe. Kararating na ng asawa ko from the gym. Nilalaro niya si Madly. Where's the parrot? Oh, these are like green.
Look at what's pretty.
Thank you. Matli. Matli.
Look at that big dog. Look at it.
Oh my God. Dog is looking at you. What? That's trash can. Stay away from there. Look at Motley. He's tired, Daddy. Don't let him run again. Ready?
Yeah, I can't carry this thing and him at the same time.
Wow. Wow, Daddy, I can do that. Why can't you?
It's just gonna hurt him.
Okay, it's time to go home. Napapagod na si Mami. Kanina pa siya takbo ng takbo. Hindi pa kasi siya marunong maglakad sa leash niya. And he's very exhausted. Kahit nagbigay ako ng tubig sa kanya, may dala akong tubig. Napapagod pa rin siya. Buti na lang may dala akong frozen blueberries. Iniwan ko sa sasakyan. He wants to walk? Oh my God. This baby wants to walk. Mommy is here. You wanna drink water? Come. Come, Mommy. Tumakbo kahit napapagod na siya. Ayaw niya magpabuhat sa asawa ko. Gusto ko pabuhatin siya para hindi na siya mapagod. Pabalik na kami sa sasakyan. Ayan pa rin siya. Singhot ng singhot. Hindi pa rin siya makapati dito sa labas, guys. Sa loob ng bahay pa rin siya makapati. Ha?
Still has a lot in him.
He's still going.
No, no.
God, look at the big dog over there, honey. You see it? Be careful.
Yeah, they're going the other way.
Okay. And the dog is looking at Motley.
Look at what? You want to give Watley a rest.
No.
Come on, boy.
That dog might not be friendly. The sun.
Look at Watley.
The sun is going down. Magsa sunset na.
No.
Honey, I wonder if we can go to the Everglades Park. Can we? I think we can take dogs over there, honey. In the Everglades. Oh, you go party?